Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos in Chatgpt. Let's get started. First things first, you can upload photos in Chatgpt if you're using the premium version, Chatgpt 4. But here's the good news. Even on the free version, you can upload a limited number of photos each day. This feature is available as part of Chatgpt's promotion to give users a taste of what Chatgpt 4 offers. If you're on the free account, like I am right now, you can still upload a couple of photos daily. Once you hit your limit, it'll reset the next day. To upload, just tap on the plus icon near to the search bar, and then click on the Attach Photos. Next, choose the photo you want to upload and hit the Add button at the top right corner. After that, type your query, like "What kind of photo is this?" or any specific question. Chatgpt will analyze the image and provide responses based on what it sees. It's that simple. And that's how you upload photos in Chatgpt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.